Hello. I'm Miles Tails Prower. We will learn about the working principle of camera. A camera is an optical instrument used to capture an image. Cameras use aperture to allow light in to capture an image on a light-sensitive surface. The word camera comes from the Latin camera obscura, which means dark chamber for projecting an image of external reality onto a flat surface. The first permanent photograph was made in 1825 by Joseph Nicephore Niepce. In this schematic diagram, the camera uses multiple lenses in a row. One with the convex and the other concave stick together to correct the aberration. The aperture lets you adjust the focus on various objects. It depends on f-stop numbers to focus on where the items can be placed everywhere. The maximum value of f-stop is f1. Its exposure is much brighter and the aperture size is large. Brighter exposure makes the background view blurry. When you reduce the size of the aperture, it therefore reduces the exposure and tends to be darker, but by fraction by the way, for example f16. That is 1/16 times the focus level. But to a darker exposure, it makes the background view clear. Like the ones, the pupil size changes itself in the human eye. The camera lets you zoom in or out, for example, 70 to 200 mm zoom f2.8 is sports photography. This lets you allow the shooter to capture close action while also being able to zoom in for telephoto shots. Last but not least, the camera flash. People who use camera flash will give a white pulse in few milliseconds. Camera flash are widely used in umbrella in any places, like taking a picture in wedding areas. As an example, we call it as a wedding photography. But in general, when you press the capture button with an activated flash, you'll get a picture output from the film reel. Nowadays, there are digital cameras everywhere you're likely to access and store images on a computer. So, this topic you know about the working principle of camera. Like, comment, and subscribe now.